What's up, everybody? Our plans fell through this weekend, so we looked all over the place, and the only spot available this weekend was at Wapakoneta. We've never been here. It's a KOA, so we're going to check it out.
Continue on Cemetery Road for half a mile. In 600 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Very nice. Hey, what do you think about the campground so far?
It's cool. We went to the playground.
Yeah?
And I know this stuff that's going around, so we had to do hand sanitize our hands.
Yeah. But you were able to play on the playground, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's the point of it.
Yeah.
And my great grandma made this for me.
Oh, your great grandma made you that?
Yeah.
That's so awesome. Hey, are we getting in the pool tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Bust it.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Get your rest, okay, babe? Wapakoneta KOA. What do you think?
It's nice. It's nice to get out camping.
Mm-hmm. Sites are kind of tight.
Yeah, sites are kind of tight, but the playground is really nice and it's large. Plenty of activities for the kids to do and still socially distanced. And the pool is really nice. I'm excited to check out the pool today. Yeah,
the one major attraction is the Air and Space Museum. It's about an hour or a mile or two that way somewhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, and it's the birthplace of Neil Armstrong.
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure, and that's why the Air and Space Museum's here. But yeah, it's
quiet.
It's very quiet.
7:30 in the morning right now. Well, I guess it's almost 8 now, but it was a pretty peaceful night, especially considering like the big highways are kind of closed still.
Yeah. Cool. That's it. Well,
yeah, the kids are still sleeping, so we are savoring our coffee.
Yeah, we'll check back in a little bit.
Yep.
And right there is the Neil Armstrong Air and Space Museum. You can literally see it from the back end of the campground. It's very cool. It's less than a mile away. We're gonna try and check it out. We are not sure if it's open with everything going on. Hey, Miss Nugget, what you doing, babe?
I'm sitting here.
You're sitting here?
I just got back from the pool and took a shower. My nose hurted because I was like this all.
Oh, okay. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Hey, Jake, buddy. We're all packed up, ready to go home. Did you have a good time? You did? What was your favorite part?
The pool playground.
The pool and the playground? Yeah. Awesome, buddy. Whew, we're back. We're back home. It was a good stay at Wapakoneta. The sites were pretty tight. That's, I think, the only thing we didn't like about the campground. It had everything you would expect from a KOA. It had a pool, it had a playground, it had horseshoes, you know, it had everything you would expect from a KOA. We did not make it over to the Air and Space Museum. We looked it up on the internet, and it is by appointment only, and it's closed because of the virus. So you do have to make an appointment to do that. And then we did look into the Airstream Factory, and they have tours Monday through Friday starting at 2 o'clock. We got in after 2, so we didn't make it over there, but we still had a good time. We're gonna have some more trips coming up soon, but in the meantime, if you can, get out, have an adventure, and make some memories.